Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create side-by-side buttons that are horizontally aligned in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to make your call to action buttons more visually appealing and give your visitors clear choices without cluttering your page layout. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate over to Pages in the left sidebar. From there, select Add Page to create a new page, and then click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface where you can start designing your page with drag and drop functionality. Now that you're inside Elementor, look for the search field in the left menu panel, type in button, and you'll see the button widget appear in the results. This widget is what we'll use to create our side-by-side buttons. Click or drag the button widget to your preferred destination on the page. Position it wherever you want your first button to appear. Next, right-click on the button widget you just placed. From the menu that appears, select Duplicate. This creates an identical copy of your first button, which saves you time since you won't have to customize everything from scratch again. Now you have two buttons on your page, but they're probably stacked vertically at this point. To get them aligned horizontally, click on the first button to select it. Then go to the Advanced tab in the left panel, look for the position setting, and click on it. From the submenu that appears, select Fixed. This changes how the button is positioned on the page and gives you more control over its placement. Now do the exact same thing for the second button. Click on the second button to select it, then head to the Advanced tab again. Find the position setting and select Fixed from the submenu. Both buttons now have fixed positioning, which means you can freely move them around your page independently. Here's where the magic happens. You can now align both buttons horizontally by clicking and dragging the first and second button to sit side by side. Position them exactly where you want them to appear on your page. You'll have full control over the spacing and alignment, so take your time to make sure they look balanced and professional. Once you're happy with how your buttons look, click Publish at the upper right of the page to make your changes live. If you're not quite ready to publish yet, you can click Save Draft beside the Publish button to save your progress and come back to it later. And there you have it. You've successfully created two side-by-side buttons that are horizontally aligned in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.